That's my phone.
Alright, so it is Tomo TV.
Yeah.
Alright, people please to comment down below if you've been saying Tomo TV and let me know which one feels more natural and authentic to just like hear and to just like, yeah.
To be fair, most people do say Tomo. They say Tomo. But because it's Tomlinson, my last name, so it's Tom.
Oh.
Tom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tom. Okay, now I get it. Okay, but you're not one of the people that who like, oh, you have a card name.
No, I couldn't care less.
Okay.
From you know when I'm just like, what?
Simon, you shook the nervousness off. Can we talk?
I refer everything to Wayne.
I don't know anything about your life. What them checks be looking like?
Fat. I'm sorry, no.
Okay.
It's not. It's interesting because I never.
From. No.
Again?
No.
Again.
What is going on with this? No.
It's not me.
Listen.
It's not
this
me.
is me. We're not supposed to interview you.
I plead the fifth.
What is going on right now?
We're gonna put it right there.
Are you becoming like a superhero, like Static Shock before my eye or something like that? Like there's something happening.
I wasn't gonna tell nobody, but you know.
Alright, so tell me about the money making journey.
It's interesting. It's fun seeing like the reach that the videos get and the fact that companies are so interested in being a part of it and want me to make my content surrounding their product. It's a weird concept to like have to think about, but it's fun. I mean, it doesn't feel like work. Yeah. So to me, it's easy money.
Are you self-managed?
No, I have a manager.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do we know the manager?
Andrew, they know you?
Okay.
Andrew Brown.
just wondering, your name does sound like it have money. Like, sound like in charge of things other than you.
Well, he does take some of my money, so.
Wow. Okay, so you have management knowing all of these things, and what has that process been like having another person to kind of oversee things?
When I say it makes life so much easier, because first of all, when you look at me and tell me, oh, send a quotation, I say, what?
Yeah, no, I hear that.
Yeah.
Give me the creative part.
Yeah, what do you mean send a So he takes care of all the businessy stuff. I get to have all the fun and the videos.
Stay with the creative, yeah.
So I love it.
Okay, what the biggest trick you get? I've been trying to fasten people's money. I just think it's just fun.
I'll give you a vague idea.
Yeah.
It is a little bit less than them take from both. Alright.
Oh wow. Oh okay. Okay. A little bit less. When you say a little bit less, no, I forgot. Please don't follow my camera person. A little bit less. What do you mean about that?
No questions, please.
What are you saying about this? You're saying somewhere in the $3.6 billion. No man, look at me. I forgot the TikTok. I have to raise my mother. I have to find my Tanya. This is it. Wow.
So talk to us about how you knew that content creation was for you. What was your defining moment?
Bold of you to assume that I knew. I didn't know.
And that's real. That's real.
Yeah, it started off by accident. So I consider myself to be very lucky when it comes to creating content and actually being here in general, because the things that I've created, the things that I've made, are things that are just real life that I've put on camera.
Right.
So the first video I had that kind of went crazy was the typical thing: you forget the chicken out the freezer, and yeah, no chicken in the freezer. I didn't clean the room. I didn't do anything. And mommy came home. Tanya came home. And I thought to myself, oh, I didn't do anything she told me to do. Wait, this could be a video. Let's make it a video. And then I woke up the next morning at 500,000 views. And I said, oh, this is something that can work. So let me keep on doing it. And then shortly after, maybe a week after, a video hit 1 million views. And I said, wow, okay.
Some of the IMC conference 2023, Tessellated, how are you doing?
I'm doing good, bro. How you stay?
I'm pretty good, not as good as you. I got win the big award the other day.
Appreciate it.
What was the category? In
Music.
Music.
Yeah, for the Prime Minister's Award.
Yeah, how it feel?
And this is a crazy feeling. I mean, as you know, as a creative, you know.
Yeah.
We start off with nothing, no fans, no supporters.
Yeah.
So to come from that to in a few years, you know, getting recognized by the country, it's a blessing, you know. Yeah. Actually, won it in 2019, you know, I tell you, in one category, and coffee was in that category. Yeah. So in my mind, I say, there's no way I'm even not going to get acknowledged after that, but you know, there's sometimes I can give multiple people, so some kind of get through. So it's a good look for you now. You're here today. Why did you decide to be a part of it? IMC. So you don't know, to me, music and the industry is all about collaboration. It's all about networking, sharing knowledge, and that's how we're going to grow. So, you know, the IMC is, I think it's a great concept. And I think this type of meeting of the minds and getting support from international and people who have been in the industry on a wider scale and who are the playmakers is really going to help Jamaican artists and the Jamaican industry on a whole develop and come to new heights.
Yeah, man, you know King Kali Big Bad hashtag, man, I thought make you hear that. Magnum Top Performer 2021, you cite that. Which part there right now? Island Music Conference, you cite that. Yeah, man, stay tuned.
Now, Tessellated, talk to me. Do you consider like Jamaica as like your primary like audience? Because when I listen to your music and sometimes I always like feel it for like the artists who are here, who I feel like they do good stuff and put out good bodies of work.
For sure.
But like you know, there's a certain idea of how music and content where we tend to gravitate to in terms of the masses.
For sure. In Jamaica,
Like how you navigate that, like trying to still be you, still exist in that space, but then also understanding, say, maybe this is not where my main focal point for my audience is.
My message is that, you know, the world is large. And there's certain genres of music, like you could look at like heavy metal. People have concerts and sell out thousands and thousands of tickets. You're never going to hear that playing out here, and that's fine. You know? I get support out here. I get a lot of support out here, but I also have a lot of support in different regions. So it's not really a thing that I focus on too heavily. It's like the music will connect with who it's supposed to connect with, and because we're looking to grow up in an age with the internet, we have connections to all over the world. The music finds its audience wherever it connects, and you know. So right now, actually, my biggest concentration of listeners is actually in London. In France.
Okay, you visited there the other day.
So I go there. I've yet to go to France, but I've been to London. So, you know, it's just a thing. And the thing with Jamaica is that as things grow and sounds expand, people become more and more receptive to new things.
You must say the nice way, you know. You must say the nice way. Basically, I say the same thing over Mali there for going. And them celebrating what we did, and them come back here. And then, you know the Jamaican way.
Sometimes you need the proof elsewhere. But it's what it is, you know. I'm doing my thing. And it's being recognized, so I'm happy.
So I'm gonna give you the space now to actually brag about yourself now. Talk about, because I think you mentioned that you actually were a part. Did you write something or contribute something to a particular series?
Aside from being an artist, I'm also a producer, a songwriter. So I've done some things for some series on Netflix. I also contributed to Spice's album that got nominated for the Grammy last year.
No, I never know that.
Yeah, we were produced on Spice album, 2 tracks. I also have done, you know, I've done work with Apple. I've done commercial work for them. I composed for one of their short films that went and got an Emmy nomination.
What the checks be like? The checks nice?
Nice, man. Non-stop.
I want to know in case one jump like a producer thing too.
No, for sure. So you know, I'm doing work across the board. Right now I have a bunch of things in the works that are about to come out. So I have some solo releases and also production and writing I've done for other artists. So this year is about to be a whole heap of new music, and I'm really excited to share with everybody.
Yeah, man. So that is it for this track right now. You know, we're Tessellated. Please go and check out your music. But continue to say like your whole catalog is really a vibe.
Appreciate it.
It really is a vibe, and it makes sense because you're talking about Island Music Conference. That is your music. It's like good vibrations, good what you call it, like good spirits. It's the same energy that I get from like Afrobeats.
Yeah,
it's like you have that same mood in your music, and that is why I'm actually like.
It's all about dancing, all about
yeah.
And that's, you don't know, you can tap in with me at Test Vibe or Tessellated on our music platforms.
Yeah,
big up yourself.
All right, big up in our test. Yeah. Alright, so that is it, you know, for the Island Music Conference 2023. I'm there with the big bad Effie boss, you know, manager and links connector for all of the content creators in both the place. You can say something.
Hi, something. Effie.ltd.
And why people must link you? Tell the people them one.
Link me for anything. Link me if you want content creators to create content for you, for your brand, for your business. And if you're a creator, link me. Let's elevate your content and get you some money.
Even if it's OnlyFans content?
OnlyFans is welcome.
Well, here, so people remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tata.